All right, I'll load the demo, hit play to start it up. And on the left side here, I just have some example stats. That's what we're going to use to modify here. So you see here strength, and the original is 77. Current, we'll see this change once we add a modifier. On the right side, we have these modifiers, which we could change the value. And then here we can, there's static ones. So +5 strength, I can add it. You see it's 5 mods were added to strength, and my current value now is 82. Of course, I can remove it. I can't keep adding it because each modifier holder is unique. So I could add all of these, and you see now they stack. And up here at the top, I have some drop downs, so you can choose the different stats in your own system. This is where you would link up your own stats. You could choose whether it's going to be a flat or percent modifier. Let's go percent. And now I could add a value, so I could do like 55, so 55%. I add it, and we see right here. So that percentage goes off the base value here, the original. And then same thing here, of course, with flat. You've seen that. I can add it. And then they all get added and calculated. That's the general gist. Check out the documentation for more information, or feel free to reach out to me. Thank you. Have a good day.